Hey guys, it's Guru. I'm back with a very quick 2-package Mailday. Pretty sure the first one on the top is from eBay, and the second one's from a trade off of CnC. So I'm gonna start from the one from eBay. It's a nice addition to my PC. So it's from 11-12 Panini Contenders Phenoms Rookie Auto out of $2.99 Matt Fraden. So I didn't have that one for the Fraden PC. So a really nice pickup there. And on to the second package, which is from CnC. Made a trade over off of CnC. Open this package up. I don't have my scissors with me right now. Terrible. Okay. I think I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the PC cards and then move on to the trader. So some of the PC cards I got from this trade. It's from 10-11 Artifacts, dual jersey out of 150 of Jason Spezza. Out of 150. 150 out of 150, eBay 1 of 1. From 07-08 Trilogy. Trilogy honorary swatches of Jason Spezza. And from 10-11 Upper Deck the Cup jersey, base jersey out of 25 of Jason Spezza. 7 out of 25. So really nice additions to my Spezza PC. Now onto the trader from 12-13 SP Authentic, Sign of the Times of Jakob Silfverberg. So really nice auto to get. It's from his rookie year, 12-13. So this Silfverberg is only up for trade. The rest of the cards are for my PC. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.